Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I create the super cute beachy waves, how I curl my extensions. So I am using a 1 1/4 iron. So whatever size iron that you're using, you want that to be the size of hair that you take, a size section of hair that you take. So if you're using a 1 inch, you want to take a 1 inch section. If you're using a 1 1/4, you want to take a little bit bigger, and so on. So what I do is I pick the section of hair, I kind of shake it to let my natural hair fall out. Okay, then I take my curling iron and I warm up the section. Okay, and then I start about mids and I'm curling away from my face. Okay, taking it down, curling it again. Okay, and then here comes the twist. You twist it out and then you drag it down, twist. You want to leave your ends out a little bit because, okay, and then this is my natural hair, so anything left out, I'm just going to curl really quick so that it blends. So mids, I curl it, drag it down, curl. You see? And you don't have to leave your iron on very long. You know, irons are not like how they used to be. And I am using 350 degrees on my hair is what I'm using. You do not need to use the hottest setting unless your hair is thick and coarse. If you are using the highest setting and your hair is not extremely thick and coarse, you gotta turn that bitch down. Okay, and then again on this side, grab my section of hair. I'm gonna shake out my natural length. If your hair is longer than mine, you don't really have to shake your natural hair out. My haircut is just blunt, so that's why I do that. But if your haircut's is longer than mine, you don't have to do that. You can just curl it with your extensions. But if you see how I'm doing that, and then there's this little section here, so I'm just gonna curl this. Heat up the section, start in the mids, away from the face, leave my little ends out, pull it down. There you go. Another tip, do not rake out your hair until your hair has cooled down. If you do this before your hair is cooled down, then you are going to just rake out all the work that you just did. So wait for it to cool down. Okay, so this side has cooled down. This side is still cooling, still pretty warm. So I'm gonna take my IGK texture spray. It's called Beach Club. If you guys have come to me, you know that I live by this shit. Okay, so I am going to just spray where I curled, and then I am going to take an oil because extensions need oil. Okay, a little bit. And now with the oil on my fingers, I am just going to rake this out. When you have extensions, you want to avoid oils at the point of attachment. So that's why I'm keeping my hands down in this area. I'm not really going up here. I'm staying down here because that can make the beads slip, and we don't want no slippage. Okay, rake. Okay, and I'm just going in again with that texture spray, and I'm going to spray up into my hair. And this stuff is so cool because it's like a hairspray and a texture powder had a baby. And so it has the hold without the stickiness, and the texture powder helps you pull your curls apart and give you lots of volume without the grittiness. I'm gonna curl this little section here. Let's just curl this baby. Go in and touch this up. Boom. Done. Ready to slay. Well, at least this side. Now I'm gonna do this side. But really quick, let me just show you the difference. Look at how full and beautiful this looks. This is the side I haven't done yet. Look at how kind of flat it is. Look how full this side is. You can see the difference. You need this in your life. Go to my website and place your order before it's sold out. I think I only have 2 of these left. So, and I'm restocking I think next week, but why wait? All right, and here is the finished result. I hope this was helpful. I will save this to my tips and tricks highlight so that you can refer back to it. Let me know if you like these tutorials and I will keep doing them.